Hey guys, today I'm going to show you my two-stroke engine that I bought for something like 30 bucks, and I recovered it. It wasn't working. Its piston was half melted, and I reshaped it by hand. So here it is now. It's 26.4. It's a Chinese engine. It won't focus on this. .4 cubic centimeters, and it was from a Hermesh. You know those things you cut bushes with it. So here it is. I did this thing right here. This is the on-off spark from the generator, and this is the gas. It moves this up and down, and this is the carburetor with the with the fuel pump, and here's the fuel. Maybe you see it's sort of red. It's because I added the motorcycle oil, and it runs pretty good. Well, actually no, it runs like hell, but well, it runs. Let's put this on ignite, check everything is okay. The off wires are attached to the generator. The engine is still hot, and let's start it up. I'm starting in on a full choke, because half choke, well, it's not half choke, it's, I don't know, 1/10 of a choke. It doesn't start like this at all. I'm playing with the needle of the carburetor. Almost every time I run the engine, and I can't achieve starting with the choke on. I don't know why. And it doesn't satisfy me, because the lowest setting that the engine will run off, the mixture of the fuel and air, is pretty high. You can see this screw is tied not very small amount in. Okay, so let's start it up. Okay, so here it was running. Running not too bad. I don't know. It's my first engine I'm trying to get going. By the way, my whole room is now covered with smoke, so don't do this at home, please. I'm living here in Israel, and I don't have a villas or something. All our houses are like this. So I can't go outside and place something like this. Okay, it's not gonna work. You're gonna call the cops or something. Well, I don't know. Those of you who understand a bit in engines, please tell me, how do I adjust exactly this needle of the carburetor that is located right there on the top, and I'll start it again. I want you to hear some gargling noise when it's on pretty low RPM, and I put this rod over here, so we can see the clutch in action. The clutch is here. It's basically two plates like this that when they spin from inertia they open and they grab a plate that a plate sort of like this, and it grabs it from inside and rotated it. So that's the clutch. It's pretty weak compared to, I don't know, regular clutch of a vehicle, but it works. Okay, let's try it again. Well, it actually spins on pretty low RPM, I can tell you, but I need to glue something on this, like white paper or something, so we can see it spin. And I want you, again, oh my god, this came down. I want you to hear the gargling noise when it's on low RPM. Give me a sec. Forgot to put this on fire. You can hear now some gargling noise. I'll raise the RPM now, and when I well, you'll hear it. Oh dang, I'm such an idiot. Lol. This was causing an arc. Okay. Okay, so there we got it. I hope you heard some like steel, kicking steel noise. I'm not sure if that's the clutch or that's something else. I hope very much it's the clutch. It might be the generator magnets are touching the generator coil. That might be. That's not good either. The worst case scenario is there's something with the piston or the crankshaft. So I'm hoping for your help on this. And by the way, if someone knows, how can I build some easy muffler? Cause you saw when I'm doing this, the engine runs a bit quieter, okay? So I want really bad to put some muffler on it. And by the way, you can see here the liquid, the fluid. So that's the unburnt oil and fuel of the two-stroke engine. Again, you can see also in the carburetor, well, here you can see there's a bit fuel there, so I want to adjust the needle, perfectly, so it will spill less fuel out of here and less fuel out of here. Yes, it's spilling gas out of here. It's very strange, I don't know, but that's how it is. Well, hope you... I don't know if I hope if you're enjoyed. Anyway, if someone can help me in these questions, I'll be glad. Okay, bye guys.